How to use AI tools for content creation. Right now, creators are using AI to grow faster, save time, and make better content. The future of content creation is AI, and this is the best time to start learning. If you're not using AI yet, you're already behind. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools for content creation. Firstly, what is AI content creation? AI content creation means using artificial intelligence tools to help you write scripts, generate ideas, edit videos, create thumbnails, make voiceovers, and design posts. AI doesn't replace creativity, it helps you work faster. Use AI for video ideas. One of the hardest parts of content creation is knowing what to post. You can use ChatGPT to generate YouTube video ideas, viral topics, titles, hooks, and video outlines. Use AI to write scripts. AI can help you write full YouTube scripts in minutes. This saves hours of brainstorming. Create thumbnails using AI. Your thumbnail is extremely important. You can use tools like Canva, Adobe Express, and AI image generators to create professional thumbnails quickly. Generate AI voiceovers. If you don't want to use your real voice, AI voice tools can help. AI voice generators can create narration, podcast voices, and storytelling voices. Just type your script and the AI reads it naturally. Edit videos faster with AI. Modern editing apps now use AI features. For example, CapCut can auto-generate captions, remove background noise, add effects automatically, and speed up editing. AI editing saves a lot of time. Use AI for shorts and social media. You can turn one long video into TikTok clips, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. AI tools can automatically cut highlights, add subtitles, and resize videos for social media. Use AI for SEO and YouTube growth. AI can help you optimize your videos for search. You can ask AI to generate SEO titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. This helps your content get discovered. Don't rely on AI too much. AI is powerful, but don't become lazy. Always add your personality, edit AI mistakes, make content feel human, and add emotions to your content. People connect with humans, not robots. Best AI tools for beginners. Here are some useful beginner AI tools: ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut. If this video helped you understand how to use AI tools for content creation, smash the like button and subscribe for more tech and creator tutorials.